Hi, this is Mark and I'm at my reloading bench today, and I'd like to show you a tumbler that I designed and built. Now this tumbler is a wet system that utilizes stainless steel pins, water, and Lemmy-Shine to clean and polish the brass. Now in my opinion, this is the best way to clean your brass. In the past I used a vibratory tumbler with walnut shell media, and very ineffective. I would have brass in there for 10 hours and they would still come out, and I wasn't happy with the results. With this wet system, it takes maybe an hour and a half from start to finish, and the brass come out better than new. Very impressed with the system. Like I say, it's the only way to clean brass in my opinion. Now I built my own system because I had purchased a tumbler from a store and brought it home, unpacked it, and realized it was mainly a toy. It wouldn't last probably 6 to maybe a year in service, and then it would probably be trashed. So I built this system that I believe will last at least 20 years. It's heavy duty, it's got some big bearings and heavy duty motor, so I'm going to show you this system, and I think you'll agree that it's going to outlast any commercial system that you can buy in the $200 to $300 price range. I mean, there's some systems out there if you want to spend around $1,000 that'll do the job and last. But I built this system for right around probably $300. So take a look at it, and hopefully you like it. Thanks. This is my tumbler. I'll turn it on so you can see it turning the drum. I'll remove the drum. Now this drum is a industrial grade tumbling barrel that you can purchase. It comes with the cap here and the plug, which is a watertight seal. It's rated at 2.5 gallons, and I believe you could probably put up to maybe 400 to 500 rounds in this with the pins at one time. So it's got a large capacity. And this tumbler is not limited to weight like the commercial hobby type tumblers that are available on the market. This will hold several hundred pounds, where the ones you can buy, I think the tumbler is only rated at 12 or 15 pounds you can put in there. The water, pins, and the brass, so you're very limited there. So I'll give you a little detail of what I did here. I started out with the motor at 700 RPMs, and it's a 1/8 horsepower, and it has a 1.5 inch pulley, and it drives an 8-inch pulley. So with this gear reduction, the tumbling barrel turns roughly 30 RPMs. Now these drive wheels are skateboard wheels, which I bought on eBay. I bought a lot of the parts for this on eBay. I guess it's the tumbler that eBay built. So I bought all 4 wheels. They're brand new, and they were $30 for all 4. The bearings, bought those on eBay, all 4 for $39. That I think included shipping. All the aluminum I bought on eBay. These wheels back here, these are inline skate wheels, and these wheels keep the barrel aligned with the drive wheels. So these drive wheels, they're 2.2 inches in diameter, and they're the softest durometer rubber I could find, which is 76 durometer. And what I did here is I made hubs that are pressed into the wheels. I also put a pin through the wheel from hub to hub so that the wheel cannot spin on the hubs. And like I say, they're pressed in, and then you can see here there's set screws in both hubs that then mate to a flat that I machined on this shaft. These shafts are 1/2 inch stainless steel. So this setup, you can support as much weight as you want. It's very heavy duty. Now the construction of the base, this aluminum is 3 inch by 2 inch by 3/8 thick, front and back. Now the front one, I had to cut it out here to gain clearance for this 8-inch pulley. I just cut a section out. These flanges here that are running front to back are 1/2 inch thick aluminum plate, and so is the plate that the motor is sitting on. It's 1/2 inch thick also. I also attached some rubber feet to the bottom of the base, just so it can kind of have some cushion to sit on the floor. I mounted this electrical box and a toggle switch to turn it on and off. I've been using this now for about 6 months, and no problems with it. It works real well. There's nothing I would change in the design. Now I will show you the materials and the process I use to clean the brass. I start out with my tumbling barrel, install the pins, just pour them in, and then I fill it about halfway full of lukewarm water. I then give it a good shot of this Ajax citrus soap. I don't measure it, I just give it a good shot in there. I don't think it's real critical on the amount, but make sure you get plenty of soap. This stuff doesn't seem to foam up at all, so it doesn't hurt to put a little extra in there. Then I add Limishine Original. Now I use 2 of these scoops. The scoop comes inside the container, and I use 2 level scoops in the water. This is the Limishine rinse, which I use on my second process. So first process is right here. So what I'll do is I'll put this in there, I'll add my brass cases, and I'll let that run for approximately 1 hour. At the end of 1 hour, the water will just be black. All the carbon comes out of the brass, and they look pretty clean at that point, but they're not real shiny. So what I do is I dump out the black water, and I rinse it, dump it out again, leaving the brass and the pins, everything in there. Then I fill it back up again to the same level, about halfway. Then I use this Limishine rinse. Now this is a liquid, and I give this maybe, I don't know, a couple good shots in there. And I guess I should get a measurement on how much I'm using, but I just kind of wing it. Give it a good shot of that, and then I put also some more soap in there, and I run it another 30 minutes. And what that does, it seems to really polish the cases with the clean water. So at that point, then I take them out, rinse them, and dry them. So I think I'll do another video and kind of step through the whole process, but I wanted to at least explain the products I use, and like I say, this is the best way to clean brass, so hopefully this helps you out. Thanks. Bye.